We have a list of our sales leads. These are the people you would want to follow up for making sales, and we have dates of when they should be followed up. And then we want to always come to our spreadsheet and see that if the date has passed, then it should highlight with this color. And if the sale has been done, then we come and click done, and then it highlights with green. So for example, if this was to be done, we choose the done option, then it changes. If we put it back to pending, then it will change the color to this light orange color. And if it is pending but the date is still ahead of today, then it will remain without a color. So let's go and see how that's done. So we come here and we use conditional formatting. We highlight our data, and then we come to the home tab and click on conditional formatting, and we click on new rule, and then we click on use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then we say C, and then we ensure that it is dynamic across the column. So we fix C and we unfix the 3. So if it is equal to done, what do? There are two things we want to do. We go to format, and then we go to font, and we put our font color as light green, and then we put a strike through, and we click OK, and we can see the preview of how it will look like, and we press OK, and then we press OK. Now, as we can see, the items have already changed, those that are indicated done, and if we change from done to pending, you can see that it will go back to without color. Now, we go and highlight again and click on conditional formatting, and we put a new rule, and then we use formula to determine which cells to format, and then we click on again C3 and we ensure that it is dynamic. So we put relative reference with respect to the column, and we say if it is equal to pending, and then we also have another condition, so we combine it with another condition. So we put and the date, which is in B3 being less than today. So if it is less than today, then we put this formatting and we press OK. Now we're not supposed to change the font, but rather the highlight. So we come and edit, we go to manage rules, then we edit rule, then here instead of font, now we put back the font as black, and then we go and do fill, and it is instead fill that we put as, I think it's like peach, it's like a peach color, and we click OK, and we apply, and we click OK. So you see that everywhere there is a pending and the date is less than today, then it changes. Now of course, now we have that peach color even where there is no date. So for us to remove that anomaly, we can come to our conditional formatting and manage rules, and then we come and click in the rule, we edit the rule, and here we put an and we say our B3 should not be a blank for that rule to apply, and we press OK, and we shall see the pitch disappearing from those cells. Apply has indeed disappeared. So if we come and say this is done, this is what will happen. We put it back to pending. If we come and change this date and we put it to May, you see that the peach color will actually disappear. This is a smart way of tracking performance of sales by following leads, such that the leads that have not yet materialized can remain without color, but those that have lapsed without being closed will have a highlight color showing you the non-performance, and then those that are done will actually be having a strike through and also showing green to show those that have been done. I hope this conditional formatting lesson is helpful.